Hello everyone, welcome back to Joanne Creates, where I create videos about bullet journaling and art supplies. Today's video is a sketchbox unboxing. This is for May. I've already opened it and snuck a peek. It's got a wonderful illustration on the front of Audrey Hepburn, and this is by Clara Larake. And there's her Instagram. I'm sorry if I've said your name wrong. So inside, just take everything out. Put the box over here. So first things first, this is the postcard. I believe that this is a llama. Very cute. Today's unboxing is definitely for oil pastels. This is a picture done by Catherine McPhee, and her Instagram handle is down here with her private website. We also have the Sketchbox sticker, which this week is a oil pastel. Very cute. And we have 3 Holbein academic Holbein academic oil pastels. We have white, red, brown, and gray green. We have in this little bag Sennelier oil pastels in English gray and ochre satin, which this would be a great skin tone, it looks like. So these are retail priced at $1.04 each. That's American, and these are retailed at $4.90 each. Then we have, what do we have here? Okay, this is okay. This is a Faber-Castell GoldFaber colored pencil in crimson. It kind of looks like it is a red, or it sounds like it should be red, but it looks like a purple. We'll do a swatching of all of these. This is retail priced at $1.25. And then we have a Caran Darches Pablo pencil, charcoal gray. Great for sketching out your idea before going on with the oil pastels. And this is retail priced at $2.90. We have a Sketchbox color shaper. So this looks like it's an exclusive for my box. You use this tool to carve out into the oil pastel to create textural effects or blend colors. It retails for $8. And then we have Frederick's CanTone canvas panels in gray. They're 4 by 8 inches, and there's 3 of them. And they are acrylic primed for use with oils in acrylics. I've never really used oil pastels, so this will be fun. This will be interesting. I remember using them as a kid, and they felt very much like crayons. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to do some YouTube searches for how to use oil pastels properly, and I'll see what I can do. But let's do a little swatch of these. So, okay. feel like doing a white swatch is sort of fruitless, but we will do it. This would be something you would put over your other colors to bring out white highlights, I would think. Yeah. Watch as I struggle. Ooh, hello. That almost has like a, they call it red brown, but it almost has like a, just a little bit darker than like a salmon color. It's interesting. And I think in the premium box you got better pastels. Okay, so that is the gray green, and this is English gray. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these are super creamy compared to the other ones, for sure. Like very, very, very creamy, and I have a feeling you have to be careful that you don't waste. Okay, so this is the Faber-Castell. I wonder why it's called crimson, because it's definitely a purple looking thing. I don't know. And then this is charcoal gray. And yeah, like these sort of have a harder lead than what the pastels are gonna have. So I could see planning out your sketch with them would be, that's very appropriate. But everything is very very nice. I think it'll be interesting to experiment with oil pastels. If I get to doing something and I record it, I will definitely post. Just because I feel like oil pastels, people forget about them. And I don't know, I feel like you could very easily, even if you just got some primary colors and a few extras, you could very easily, even with the more expensive oil pastels, you could very easily have enough to come up with some pretty creative pieces and not spend a terrible amount. Yeah, anyways, thank you everyone for joining me today, and make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and tune in next week for a whole new video. Thank you. Bye.